Transients in capacitive networks, the charging phase. This is a simple circuit for simulation. Just go MATLAB, then Simulink, create model, then okay. From circuit, we need a voltage source, a resistor, and a capacitor. Then go for Simscape. Here you can see Simscape Foundation Library. Then electrical elements. So we need a source. So electrical sources, DC voltage source. DC voltage source. Let's let a voltage 10 volts, and we need a resistor. Then electrical element resistor. Let the value be 3 ohm, and a capacitor. Control R for rotate it, and then let's its value be 0.5 farad. Okay, now connect them, and we need a reference, electrical reference. For this we will get here electrical reference, electrical elements. Every circuit in MATLAB need a solver configuration block. For that, I'll just go utilities under Simscape, then solver configuration block, add here. So our circuit is almost okay for simulation. That's okay. And firstly, we will observe PC during charging phase. So we need a voltage sensor, electrical sensor, voltage sensor, voltage sensor across the capacitor. In order to see on scope, we need a PS Simulink converter. Then go utilities under Simscape, then PS Simulink converter, and connect. Then we need a scope, then we need a sync, then scope. So circuit okay. Here another thing, you may search item by double clicking on canvas. Double clicking SCOP scope. Here you can see that a scope is already added, so you may add by this way also. Then if we run our simulation, then okay. So this is our you can see from 0 to 10 volt it is increasing, and we can observe here the scope here, the same circuit. Okay, then it's okay. And then we will observe here during charging phase. Then we will here during charging phase, just delete here and connect it across the here. Then run, and this is here from 10 it is decreasing to 10, and you can see here we are during charging phase. You can see the same graph. Okay, then we will observe IC during charging phase. Then IC, just remove here. For IC we need a current sensor here. Then go Simscape, electrical sensor, current sensor. For current sensor we have to delete this, and we need to add it this in series. then similarly connect, then run it, and this is our graph. Here you can see the charging press current. It is decreasing between 3 and 3.5 to 0, and this is the same graph we obtain here. And transient in capacitive network during discharging phase. Now we have done our charging phase, and we are going to simulate the discharging phase. Then we have to delete this voltage source, then add it, and for this the capacitor let parameter, then for variables, and capacitor voltage beginning value let it be 3 volt, 3 volt, and okay, and we'll observe current through the capacitor, then run it. So it is minus 1 to going to 0, and we may verify that's a capacitor discharging current, and this is the same graph we obtained. So then we will observe capacitor discharging voltage, then capacitor discharging voltage, then delete this and delete all this item, then capacitor voltage, then add voltage sensor, capacitor voltage, connect, and then run it. This is a scope, and it is decreasing from 3 to 0, and we may verify here. So this is the same graph we obtain here. So that's all for today's simulation.